How to verify your age on TikTok to go live. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is simply open the TikTok app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Once in there, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen and you will get to see some options available. From those options, tap on the settings and privacy. Now once in there, scroll down till the bottom and you will get to see report a problem option available and simply tap on it. Now again scroll down till the bottom, then tap on the chat with us. Now here all you have to do is simply ask the TikTok bot that if you are verified enough to go TikTok live or not, or any live issues you are facing currently due to your verification of age. TikTok bot will answer you and give you some options that you can imply in order to go live. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.